Hi, welcome to Rosie Canine Farm. This is Bo. He was born 11/7. He's a brown and white standard poodle puppy. He's 5 months old. He's from our Cookie and our Nova. He's the last one of his litter still here. He's a really good boy. Come, Bo, come. Good boy. Yes. He's starting on basic commands. He's doing good on the leash. And on, of course, he can come. He's doing pretty good on sit. He's doing very well on his potty training. Humbo. So once again, we're Rosie Canine Farm, ROZEY, caninefarm.com. And if you'd like some more information on him, we'd love to talk to you about this wonderful boy that we have. Bo, Bo, come here, come.
Hey, how are you? Yeah, you're a good boy. Want to sit for me? Sit. Hey, good boy.
Good boy. Good sit.
Yeah.
He's a very happy boy, loves attention, loves to be just around anybody in the family, hanging out with us on the farm, following us around everywhere. Likes to play with the other dogs. He's pretty laid back. Nothing gets him too wound up. Humbo. So once again, you can call us at 616-892-1993. He's a brown and white standard poodle puppy. He's 5 months old. So a lot of the training is going to be very easy. He knows a lot of the training already. Come here, get out of there. Bo.
Come here, buddy.
Come. Good boy. Good boy.
Come here. That's my boy. How are you?
All right, well, thanks for visiting Rosie Canine Farm.